Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this little room makeover that I did for my daughter. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So right here I'm just showing clips of what the room looked like before I painted it, and well, now it's all painted, and so now I am going to be cleaning up and picking up some of the mess that I made before, or I should say during the whole painting process. So I am just organizing and picking up some mess and just getting this area nice and clean before I start decorating and placing everything where I want it to be.
Closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you.
Wow. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to remove this door. I think I'm just going to have her closet open, like with no door. So that way I can utilize this little space right here. And I think I'm just going to push her kitchen this way and put all her, like her little kitchen decor stuff up on this wall. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then this is her little closet. Her dresses are hung there, and then I have her clothes are not organized. I want to eventually get another, a different one of these rods. Eventually, we are changing this floor. That's why the baseboards are not on the bottom. Like, this was the original color of the room, and I painted it white. And we were gonna put the floor in here, but we figured that we can't do it until we do the flooring and the. First, we have to do the flooring in the kitchen and like part of the living room in order for it to connect. And so she's just gonna have this floor until we can do that. But yeah, so I'm gonna take that door off then. And eventually I want to paint this, but this was like really not a priority because I'm gonna have a curtain hung up there. And so I was just like, I don't want to spend time painting it right now. It doesn't look that bad. So I'm just gonna take that door off and I'm gonna push her kitchen over that way, and hopefully it's not too tight right here. They don't really need that much of space to play with this little kitchen, so it should be enough space. We'll see. Okay, so that's okay. I think I like that. It's just I hate the fact that like we can't use any of that space if we have a door there. So I can always just buy like a little small curtain, like a curtain rod or something, and place it here. I actually think I have one, and just put a curtain here if I wanted to. Taking this off here.
A baby and mommy. A baby and mommy.
So I put the baby back to sleep, and now it's time to finish up this room. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there. I like the way that looks. Now I am going to, of course the AC would turn off right when I'm talking, but I am going to start working in this little desk area part of the room. I have an idea of, I don't know if I should do that first or should I? Yeah, I'll do that first, and then I'll, because I bought a little cubby for her toys, so I'll do that first, and then I'll put together the cubby. But I also want to put something, I painted this desk, and I know that door is nasty, it needs to be painted too, but I painted this desk and I want to put something where I didn't paint, because let me turn you guys around so that way you guys can see what I'm talking about. So down right here, I want to put something like some paper that I used for my drawers in the kitchen. I think I have some left, so I'm going to be doing that, but I don't know if I'm going to do that today or tomorrow. But I'm for sure going to set up her little desk area. I am homeschooling her and my son. I'm using like the same curriculum for both of them, and they're really enjoying it. We're both, or I should say we're all really enjoying it. So, but I told her that I would make her a desk area for her homeschool, and so I'm gonna do that for her now. So I'm gonna go grab everything and I'll show you guys what I have, and then I'll start decorating the rest of her room. So this is everything that I'm working with. I have a whole bunch of stuff in here in this box. I have stuff in here, and I have all of that that's there. So I'm gonna start just decorating this wall, and I'm excited. Then I'll work on her bed. That's her bed set right there. And I bought this little, it's like a little canopy. I'm gonna hang it from the ceiling and it's gonna come down. Oh, it's gonna look so pretty. I'm so excited. So let me start doing this, getting this room put together for her. So you can't really see my face, but I was so irritated when I was doing this or putting this together. I was not expecting to have to do this. I got these from the dollar spot at Target, and I thought that it came made already, and well, it didn't. So I had to put it all together, and it was a little frustrating and overwhelming, and it was just like I was just not having it, but I got it done and it came out really cute. So right here I am just trying to hang up these little pegboards. I found them at Target at the dollar spot, and I was so happy when I found them. I had gone to like 2 different Targets, and the second one, that's when I found it, and I was just so happy. But here I'm just hanging everything and just trying to figure out how I am going to place everything, and I really, really, really love the way that this little space came out. It came out so cute. So I decided to move the pegboards and place them further down. I didn't like the way that they were looking right there, so I'm just removing them, and I'm gonna move them further down, closer to the desk. Now I'm just going to put together this little, I want to call it a cubby storage. I know that's probably not what it's called, but I'm going to put this little shelf thing together, and that's what I'm doing. So it is the next day, and I am pretty much doing the same thing that I was doing the night before. I am organizing everything and putting everything in its place, just trying to figure out where exactly I'm placing everything, going through her toys, going through her hair accessories, and just pretty much going through all of her things and getting rid of what we do not need. And so that is what I am doing here. So I decided to hang some of her bows around the door frame, and I really like the way that this came out. It came out really cute. So that's what I'm doing there. Now I am going to be hanging up this chalkboard and this dry erase board right here in this little area. I wanted to put it somewhere low so that way she could draw on it. She really loves drawing, and so that's what I am doing now. Now I'm going to be hanging up the canopy. This is a few days later, and I am now going to be mounting her TV on this wall. So that is what I'm doing here, and after this I'm going to be hanging up her curtains. Now we're just laying out this little rug that we got for her. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!